Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to tell about what is Lambda and how Lambda function is going to be work. Okay, there is a def function is there. Okay, but Lambda very short form and another form is called as a anonymous function. Okay, the function does not contain any name. That's why it is called a anonymous function. That function does not having any name. So in this Lambda function is a small way you can represent your function. Okay, so Lambda function can take any number of arguments but can only have one expression. That expression is generally implemented by available arguments. Just like suppose there is a, I will writing one statement lambda. Okay, so there is I am going to write y equal to lambda. Okay, x comma y, then there is going to be colon. Okay, there is the argument, then x plus y. Okay, fine. Then if I am passing that argument by help of the y 2 comma 3. Okay, so in this way you can passing the arguments also, and the lambda is going to be work like this. Okay, so x and y two arguments here because I am operating on addition of two numbers. Okay, if I am operating addition of three numbers, then I am also giving as a z. Okay, x y z, and here also giving any name. That's a r. Okay, any name. That's a name of the function. That function, anonymous function. Okay, you can access that particular lambda whatever the operation is going to be done through r. Okay, r is the object or r is the way you can access that lambda function. Okay, that is called an anonymous function. So R helps us to pass the data to that anonymous function. Okay, so now if you run it, you will watch there is the value x plus y, but I am not here add the value of z. That's a z. Now you have to see that, sorry, you have to see that. Okay, there is the 8. There is the 8. So in this way you can handle the lambda. Okay, suppose I am to evaluate area of a triangle. Okay, rectangle, whatever area of a triangle, any formula, area of triangle equal to, there is a lambda, there is a lambda, then base comma height colon 1 by 2 into base. Okay, there is a base into height, base into height. So they, when you are going to be print, okay, print area triangle, within the triangle passing the base and height. Okay, and when it is going to be run it, then it will show there is the base. So here I am not giving a base, that is called a b, and there is another point is called a height. Okay, now you can run it. Okay, there is a written 3.0. Understood? You in this way you can handle the lambda. There is a lambda anonymous function. What is the difference between lambda function and def function, which is going to be declared on a def keyword? Okay, I will build the separate video which will helps you how build and lambda function differentiate. Okay, so you understand how the lambda is going to be work. Okay, so there is a lots of different ways we can represent the lambda. Okay, so this is the one way. Okay, so if you want to add more data, more arguments, you can add here. Okay, you can add here and mention here inside a expression. Okay, if you want to use the lambda inside the function, okay, why it will increase the power. Okay, if you want to use the lambda function lambda inside the function, that function means def function. Okay, it will increase the function power. Okay, it will increase the function power. So how could you will written inside that particular lambda inside a function? Okay, so let's see. Suppose there is a keyword that is a def and there is a my func. Okay, there is a passing argument n column. Fine, my func, and here return lambda x colon n into x. Fine. Okay, in this way you can call this function my call equal to my func, here passing the value of 5, and here my call, okay, my call print inside my call passing the value of, that is x, here also define x, lambda x, that is 6. Okay, and when it is going to be written, that's a 30. Okay, that is a 30 is going to be written. Okay, comes out 30. So in this way, and lambda will be work very powerful inside the function. Okay, most of the thing there is a more powerful inside the function. Fine. So that's it. So this is the way you can handle the lambda. Okay, in this way you can handle the lambda. Okay, if you have any doubt, go through the comment box and type there. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can visit my website LingarajTechHub, and inside that website you will get my WhatsApp connection. You can get all the things. Okay, thank you.